Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Playing with words, it's always fun. So when we are given a word with missing letters or in a jumbled form with great enthusiasm, we try to identify the word at breakneck speed. So in this video, I'm going to show you a Python code that is going to guide you with a set of instructions and interact with you on your progress to identify the word. First, let's play the game. Here we go. Instructions will be first displayed. A word will be given with missing letters. 5 chances will be given to the user and the user need to type one alphabet during each chance to fill the missing letter. So this is my word. It has 5 letters. The first letter is B, the third letter is E, and I have to find the second, fourth and the fifth letter. Let me type a letter, say I. Okay, so it says incorrect letter and then it prompts me to type the missing letter. Let's say A. So we have got B with one missing letter, E, A and a missing letter. Let me give R. So R gets filled there and the last letter is D. So the word that is given to me is bread. And then finally I get a message, hooray, you have identified the word. If the word is identified, you win. Else, the correct word will be displayed to you. So you will be prompted to try another word. It is up to you to type yes or no if you want to play another game. So let's say I want to play another game. So I'm giving S. So now my word is B underscore 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 followed by K. Let me first try with vowels. So I'm giving A. Okay, my third letter is A. Let me give E. No, that is an incorrect letter. I is also incorrect. Oops, the word is black, but I tried with all the vowels to get the word. Now let's get into the code. As you can see here, I have a print statement to print the instructions to play this game. And I have a list of words and Python is going to randomly select the words for this game. For this video, I've given only a selected list of words. If you want this game to be more interesting, you can come up with lot many words in this list. I have a while loop that is going to loop through a word to randomly replace a set of letters with underscore. So for the same word, you can expect random missing positions during each run. I have another while loop that is going to loop through this game logic for 5 times because the user will be given only 5 chances to identify the word. And inside the while loop, we have a validation to check if the user enters only one letter or not. To check if the user entered the correct or the incorrect letter, we are going to make use of a function which is the match string function that takes 3 input parameters. The first one is the actual word or the complete word that I have in my list. Second one is the game word which has got underscore for missing characters, and the third one is the input character that is provided by the user. And I have a function to determine the position of the input character in the actual word and returns that position to the matchString function. The matchString function checks if the letter entered by the user is correct or incorrect and perpetually fills the gaps in the game word. If the user is unable to identify the word in 5 chances, the correct word will be displayed to the user and he or she will be prompted to play this game for another word. This is the logic behind this Guess the Word game. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you with other projects in Python.